What is up, guys? We're back with another video with Landon Poindexter. In today's video, we're going to be talking about Bitcoin. Not something we usually cover, but I'm going to show you these common traps to not fall in this next bull run with Bitcoin. Because if you don't know how to read the candles, if you don't know how to look at market structure, you can be put in a sticky situation. So in this video, we are going to show you how to avoid those type of problems. But before we do that, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button so we can keep growing. Now let's get into the video. Alright guys, now we have the Bitcoin chart pulled up. I'm going to show you guys some common traps that people fall into when trading Bitcoin. And good thing about this video, as most of these traps you see not only with Bitcoin, but stocks, with Forex. So you can take these rules and market structure ideas and carry them on with other trading plans. So you always want to look at the chart from a higher standpoint when marking out your charts. This will help you alleviate all the ruckus and stuff from the lower time frames. So you always want to mark out your more superior key areas from a higher time frame. Such as right here, we have a area of supply and demand, and right here. And this is very important because you can see we're really close to one of these areas. So make sure you mark these out on a higher time frame. That's what you want to do, step one, when avoiding these common traps. All right. That is a trap people fall into, is thinking that they can just look at the lower time frames and being able to basically read what the market's going to do without looking at the higher time frames, and that will get you in trouble 99% of the time. All right, so now that we have some key areas, there's probably I can see another big one right here in this area. All right, so we have that as well. It's another area of supply and demand, as well as in this area as well. So now that we got that marked out, this is the time you can actually go to the smaller time frame and look at where you want to trade. So step one, remember, mark up on a higher time frame, preferably a 4 hour. Then you can drop down to a 1 hour. This is where you can actually read the candles. It's very important on how to know how to read the candles. If you don't know how to, there's a thing called a candlestick Bible that can show you, what this candle means, what this candle means, this the different kind of candles that form on any given day. So what we are looking at right here is we are basically in a range, not breaking out and not going down or up. So we are in between 66,000 and 71,700. We are stuck in between that range right there, and we haven't broke through. So what you want to do is, it's okay to try to buy the breakout, but you want to play your cards the way the big guys play their cards. What do I mean by that? So the way the big guys play the cards is they always have set points in the market where they know they're gonna sell off, where they know they're gonna buy off. So it's probably be smart of you to think, if I can just copy exactly what they're doing, they control a lot of the money in the market, maybe I can make a little bit as well. So when you see areas like this, big pushes in the market, these are the areas I'm talking about where people control a lot of the money. And vice versa. If you look up here, you can see it on the other side of things in this area, about right here. And then, right here as well on this other supply and demand that I have drawn up. So what you can see is if you're able to figure out how to trade with the big money, you can make money yourself. Don't fall into the trap of thinking you know more, you have a lot of power, because you don't. It's the whales that control the market. So your job is to basically figure out how to put your money in the market when they're putting their money in the market. So if you'll look right here, every time we've gotten to these key areas I marked out, we see huge reactions. Right here, huge reaction. And I just want you to take a second and look at where we are at right now. You can kind of see that we are pretty close to where we seen a huge reaction at last time, right? Right here in this $66,000 area. Big push up. These are the key areas you're looking for to buy and put your money in. Because if you try to buy, let's just say you try to buy right here, and you're thinking it's about to push up, you're seeing higher highs and higher lows. You're wrong. You're not trading with the smart money. So you need to wait until we tap into these smart areas on the chart to continue to go and trade with the big money guys. That's basically the common rules that you need to follow to avoid big traps and fall into having your money tied up in these charts for a long period of time and keeping you stressed out. So make sure you abide by these 3 simple rules and you should be okay. If you enjoyed this video, if you gained any knowledge, I post videos daily over crypto, altcoin, and meme coins to keep you guys updated and know where to keep your money at to make the most. All right? Like I said in the beginning, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Peace.